Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share general words which are used in office. So this video is titled as office vocabulary and we are going to learn total 30 phrases or you can say idioms in this video. So let's start. So first idiom or phrase is bang for the buck. So it means पैसे की पूरी कीमत वसूल करना, right? Worth of money. For example, we want to get maximum bang for our buck. Next is big wigs. It means those important persons who are on the top or bade log you can say, right? So example, the front seats are booked for big wigs. Next word is bottom line. And it is very common, you must have heard. So it means, or you can say deadline, or you can say most important thing to consider. So this word has two meanings. For example, the bottom line is that this project is not profitable at all. Next is to be on the same page. It means that you are agreeing with someone's point of view or someone's thought, right? So for example, in this discussion, we are on the same page. Next phrase is bring to the table. It means prastav rakhna. That means to offer something, right? For example, if you know how to achieve this target, then bring it to the table. Next is word very common. It's generally used in finance, leverage. But it is used in daily life in offices, which means to take maximum benefit of something. For example, once we will have a new team member, we will have all the leverage needed. Next word is piggyback. Piggyback आपने सुना होगा. It means to steal someone's idea without giving due credit to that person. For example, they are just seeking to piggyback themselves onto a benefit to which they are not entitled. Next word is looking forward. It means you're excited about something that is going to happen in future, right? For example, I'm looking forward to going to Manali next week. Next word is step down. It has a very simple meaning, which means to resign from a position or office, right? You can use this word instead of resign. For example, the CFO will have to step down as a result of acquisition. Next word we have is take off. It means कि किसी का करियर जैसे कि एकदम से ऊपर चढ़ जाना, become successful very fast. For example, her Bollywood career had just begun to take off. Next we have is keep up. It means follow up. Follow up की जगह you can use keep up. For example, technology changes so fast, so it's hard to keep up with it. Next phrase we have is call off. It means cancel something, right? For example, we need to call off this meeting due to some reason. That means we have to cancel this meeting. Next phrase we have is put back. It means to delay or postpone, right? For example, they put back the meeting until next week. That means they have postponed the meeting until next week. Next phrase we have is run out of. It means you generally use it, I'm running out of this and that. This means no more of anything has left. For example, I have run out of new ideas. So next phrase we have is take on. You can use this word. It means hiring. So in place of hiring, you can use take on. For example, we will need to take on new seasonal workers over the holiday season. That means you will hire. Next phrase we have is cut back. It means to reduce something. It's very common in business. For example, the management has ordered a cut back in spending. That means they have reduced the expenditures. Next phrase we have is brush up. It's very common. So it means to improve. You must have heard brush up your skills. For example, he needed to brush up on his analysis techniques. Next phrase number 18 we have is escalate. It's a word. It means to involve someone from a top position or someone who is an important person, right? For example, you might need to escalate the issue to the next higher management level. Next phrase we have is no-brainer. It means that something that doesn't require mental efforts or that require very less efforts, right? For example, this task seemed like a no-brainer to me. It means that was easy for me. Next phrase we have is fall through. It means not completed successfully. Don't mind the spelling of completed. For example, there's still a risk that the whole deal will fall through. That means that whole deal will not completed successfully. Next phrase number 21 we have is pull out. You must have heard it means to move away from something, right? For example, they are trying to pull out of the agreement, right? They are trying to move away from that agreement. Next phrase number 22, off the cuff. It means without preparation. You can use this word. For example, this is not the kind of meeting that one can present off the cuff. That means this is the meeting which requires a preparation. Next, we have is ballpark figure. It means giving an approximate value or a figure. For example, we don't know the exact cost, but a ballpark figure would be around 16 lakh. So that means an estimate amount. Phrase number 22 is circle back. It means very simple. I'll talk to you later, or I'll come back, or I'll consider again. For example, I'm having this meeting right now, but I'll circle back in evening to discuss your issue. Phrase number 25 is FaceTime. It means meeting in person. So in person meeting, you're meeting face to face. For example, if only I could get some FaceTime with one of our clients, I just know I could convince them for this idea. Phrase number 26, it is a word bandwidth, which means you generally use it in internet sense, but here it means mental stamina or physical stamina. For example, I already have a variety of works that I don't have bandwidth to accept one more task. Next phrase number 27 is phone tag. It means trying to get in touch, or like that person is also calling and you're also calling to them. For example, we have been playing phone tag. She's always out when I call, and vice versa. Next phrase we have is call it a day. It means to finish the work, but actually that work is not actually finished, but just finished for today. For example, I think we have done enough work today. I'm feeling tired now. Let's call it a day. Phrase number 29 is turn down. It means to reject something offered or proposed. For example, this idea was turned down by the investors due to lack of visibility, right? Phrase number 30, that is last phrase, take down. It means write down to something which is spoken, or it has another meaning which means defeat someone. For example, the employee took down notes during the interview. So those are all 30 phrases or words which you can use instead of using simple words in your daily office life. It will definitely give a good impression while you're talking. Okay, so before you leave, my channel is named as CA Poonam Sharma. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button in case you like this video, and do share it with your friends. Bye. See you again in next video.